So I've been looking at Mudguards, and I found they're really not that expensive, but once you put in shipping, they get close to $20 for a little piece of plastic. So I thought, why don't I make my own? Let's make this Mudguard for your bike for less than $2. What you'll need is a pair of scissors, 4 zip ties, a template, and a plastic folder. Let's get the template cut out. Now we're ready to trace it on our folder. Make sure you get it so your design is in the correct direction that you want it to be. Now, after we trace it, let's cut it out. Awesome. Since we've got this folder, we have room to make a second one, so let's go ahead and make another one. On this one, we'll make the top of it black instead of the pattern that we did on the first one. Now we can use our hole punch to make the holes for the zip ties to go through. You only need to punch out the little holes, not the one that's in the middle at the top on this template. I'm not really sure what that one's for. This looks great. Let's just see how much water sprays up when our tire spins. As you can see, water is getting all over the top of the fork and the down tube of the bike. If this were mud, it would be everywhere and probably on your GoPro. Let's get this installed and try that same experiment with the Mudguard on. All right, let's give this a test. Nice, no water is getting on the fork and very little on the down tube. This is going to be great to ride with. Let's uninstall it and put the black one on and see how it looks. These Mudguards turned out really well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Have you ever made one of these? I mean, for $2, for 2 of them, that's a pretty good deal. And I'm sure you can find some other cool patterns from folders, or make your own. Make sure you subscribe, as I have a lot of fun content coming up. And as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.